In this class, we shall discuss about the appointment procedure of insurance agents by the insurer. Yes. The applicant seeking appointment as an insurance agent of an insurer shall submit an application form in Form 1A to the designated official of the insurer. Each insurer has an official to look after all these things pertaining to the appointment of the insurance agents. So, the applicant should submit an application in the Form 1A to the designated official. This is the first thing. You should submit an application requesting to appoint him as an agent in their company, in their insurance company. The designated official of the insurer, on receipt of the application, shall satisfy himself that the applicant, the insurance official of the designated official of the insurance company, shall satisfy himself the following conditions. 1. A. Has furnished the agency application in Form 1A, a complete in all respects. In Form 1A, whether he has filled all the information in it or not, he observes and he checks. Has submitted, yes, he is satisfied with, if he is satisfied with that, and has submitted the PAN details along with the agency application form. This is the PAN details whether he has submitted or not. C. Has passed the insurance examination as specified under Class 4. Generally, the insurer conducts the examination for the appointment of the insurance agents. So whether this applicant has qualified or not in it is to be seen by that designated official. So third point, has passed the insurance examination as specified under Clause 6 and does not suffer from any of the disqualifications mentioned in Clause 7. The disqualifications which are mentioned in Clause 7, whether he is in that criteria, should be seen. And has the requisite knowledge to solicit and procure insurance business, and capable of providing the necessary service to the policyholders. So, he has to he has to observe the whether he has the knowledge to solicit and procure insurance business and needy services to the policyholders. So, all these conditions, the designated official of the insurer shall satisfy himself regarding the applicant. Now, the designated official shall exercise due diligence in verifying the agency application and ascertaining that the applicant does not hold agency appointment for more than one life insurance and one general insurance, one health insurance, and one of each of the monoline insurers, and is not in the centralized list of the blacklisted agents. His name must not be in the blacklisted agents, first thing. And he must be only one life insurance. He must be the agent to one life insurance, one general insurance, one health insurance insurer, like that. And designated official shall also verify the centralized list of agents maintained by the authority with the PAN number of the applicant to ascertain the information as in subclass 3 above. So, you should check the centralized list of agents maintained by the authority with the PAN numbers. Like the centralized list of the blacklisted agents maintained by the authority to ascertain that the applicant is not blacklisted. First, all the list of the agents, centralized list, and the blacklist of the agents. The designated official, on satisfying himself that the applicant has complied with all the conditions mentioned in clause 4, 2 to 4 above, and also does not suffer from any of the disqualifications mentioned in subsection 3 of section 42 of Act, may process the agency application, and if found fit and proper, if he is fit and if it is proper, grant appointment to the applicant as an insurance agent by issuing an appointment letter within 15 days of receipt of all documents from the applicant. So, the application is processed within the 15 days by the issuing authority. The designated official shall allot an agency code number to the appointed agent, and the agency code number shall be prefixed by the abbreviation of the insurer's name. That code number is prefixed by the abbreviation of the insurer's name. So, the application should be processed, which is given by the applicant by the designated official, and should scrutinize it and grant the appointment to the applicant as an insurance agent within 15 days of the receipt of all the documents. Yes. After submitting all the documents which are prescribed by the insurer by the applicant within 15 days, the authority issues the appointment letter. That code number of the agent must be prefixed by the insurer's name, LIC. That LIC should be prefixed. Now, the agency appointment letter issued as mentioned in subclass 5 above shall lay down the terms of appointment covering all conditions and governing appointment and functioning of the appointment as insurance agent and the code of conduct as outlined in class 8. The letter of the appointment shall be dispatched not later than 7 days after the appointment of the agent as mentioned in the subclass 5. So the letter should be dispatched before 7 days to the agent. The letter of the appointment shall be dispatched not later than 7 days. And the applicant so appointed as an insurance agent shall be provided an identity card. That agent is issued an identity card by the insurer, which shall identify the agent with the insurer of which she is acting as an agent. So that identity card consists the details of all the name, date of birth, all those things, including the insurer information to which insurer he is concerned is mentioned in the identity card. The designated official shall enter and update the agency data of the applicant appointed as an insurance agent in the agency portal maintained by the authority through online mode immediately after the appointment of the agent. So the information is maintained, uploaded immediately, updated immediately in the portal. The online Updation of agency database records by the insurer is to maintain updated centralized list of agents maintained by the authority. So, the designated official shall be responsible to update the agent's appointment up to date and accurate. It is a responsibility of the designated official. The designated official may refuse to grant agency appointment to any applicant if the applicant does not fulfill any of the conditions mentioned in these guidelines. So, the designated official has the authority to refuse, to reject the application of the agent if he doesn't fulfill the any of the conditions. Okay, if all conditions are fulfilled, with that the designated official have satisfied, then he may give the appointment letter. Otherwise, he may refuse it. The designated official shall communicate the reasons for the refusal. Simply rejecting the application without mentioning the reason is not the correct one, and the law doesn't, the act doesn't accept it, and it is mentioned that the designated official shall communicate the reasons for the refusal. For the appointment as an agent, in writing, within 21 days of receipt of the application. Within 21 days of receipt of the application, he should inform the applicant in writing regarding the rejection of the application and the reasons for it. So, the designated official may refuse to grant agency appointment to any applicant if the applicant does not fulfill any of the conditions mentioned in the guidelines. But the rejection must be in writing within the 21 days of the receipt of the application and should be communicated to the applicant. An applicant who is aggrieved by the decision of the designated official refusing to grant the agency appointment may submit a review application to the appellate officer of the insurer for review of the decision. Yes. If an agent's application is rejected by the designated officer, designated official, the agent can submit the review application to the appellate authority to review the decision of the designated official. The insurer shall designate an appellate officer to consider the review application of the applicant. So the appellate officer shall consider the application and communicate the final decision in writing within 15 days of the receipt of the review application. Again, the appellate officer scrutinizes the application, and if it is okay, if all the information is suitable and accurate and correct as per the guidelines, then that person is appointed as an agent. Otherwise, it should communicate that information, whether he is appointed or not. The final decision in writing should be communicated to the applicant within the 15 days time of receipt of the review application. The reasons must be communicated by the appellate officer to the applicant within 15 days. An applicant shall pass in the insurance agency examination conducted by the examination body in the subjects of life insurance, general insurance, health insurance, as the case may be. Which insurance the agent is interested, the person is interested to become the agent, should pass the examination as per the syllabus prescribed by the authority to be eligible for the appointment as an insurance agent. So, the insurance agent must appear the examination in the subjects of life insurance, general insurance, health insurance, as the case may be. Maybe one or all. The insurer shall provide the necessary assistance and guidance to the candidates to equip them with adequate insurance knowledge required to qualify in the agency examination. So the insurer shall provide the necessary assistance and also the guidance to the applicants to become the agents and equip them with adequate insurance knowledge to qualify in the agency examination. The applicant who has successfully passed the insurance agency examination, as mentioned in 1 above, shall be issued a pass certificate by the examination body. The pass certificate issued by the examining body shall be in force for a period of 12 months for the purpose of seeking appointment as an agent with any insurer for the first time. If A has written the insurance examination and qualified for in one insurance company, he is qualified today, and that qualification is valid for 1 year to be appointed in such insurance company. So the pass certificate issued by the examining body shall be forced for a period of 12 months. Only candidates who have qualified in the insurance agency examination has, as mentioned above, and who hold a valid pass certificate by the examination body shall be eligible to be considered for the appointment as agents. So the applicant who has successfully passed the insurance examination issued a pass certificate by the examination body. That certificate is valid for 1 year. With that, the applicant must submit all the details to the insurance company, PAN cards, details, as we have seen. As for the format, should fill all the things, submit to the designated official. Designated official scrutinize it, and if he is satisfied, with the information given by the applicant. He will give the appointment letter of agent to the concerned person, to the concerned individual. Otherwise, he rejects the application. In the circumstances of rejection, the person who wished to be the agent for a insurance company may submit a review application to the appellate authority. The insurance company appoints the appellate authority, and that appellate authority checks all the details, reasons for the rejection by the designated official. And if any chance to appoint him as the agent, that person is appointed as agent. Otherwise, as a final decision, he may be rejected if the appellate officer has not satisfied with the application submitted by the applicant. Yes. Now, shall move further. Now, functions of the insurance agent. We have seen the appointment method, procedure of the insurance agent. Now we shall discuss the functions of the insurance agents. The insurance agent helps in promoting and selling of insurance products and services to the customers. So, agent helps in the promotion of the different products of the insurance company, and he helps in the sales of such products of insurance policies and provide the services to its customers. So, the insurance agent must promote and sell the insurance products and services to the customers or consumers. Now, giving sound financial advisory services and customer support to the clients. Yes. He must advise in a worthful manner. He must give the advices to his clients, to his customers, and that should be sound advices, not in the form of cheating them, but in the fruitful manner. He advise to the clients and support in taking the policies from the individuals, that is clients. Needs to deal with not only individuals but their families and corporate businesses too. Not only with individuals. Yes. Regarding the product, agent is explained. That agent says that our family members may not accept. In such situations, that agent have to approach the family members and explain the details of the product and the maturity benefits to the family members and convince them in the sound financial advisory manner, only not for the sake of his business, but to give the good maturity benefits to the policyholder. Next, needs to have good relationship, including good rapport with his or her existing and prospective clients. The agent must have good rapport. He must maintain good rapport with the existing and the prospective clients. If one of the client asks for the procedure of the maturity benefits, if the agent give the details in detail, and if he explains each and everything in the detailed manner, and if it is needed, if he goes along with the client to the insurance office for the maturity benefits, the family members of that client have the good opinion on the agent, and they offer for the more policies only for the service given by him. So, he must have good relationship, including good rapport with his or her existing and prospective clients. For example, agent approached for a policy, and that person said that I will take policy after 1 year. Yes, that person, that agent must note down his number and pursue after 1 year. He may take the policy. If he forgets it, he won't, so that he won't give the service as well as he won't give the sales to that insurance company. So for prospective clients and also existing clients are satisfied, must be satisfied with the services of the agent. Now, general awareness about the markets. He must explain the general awareness about the markets, insurance markets. He must promotion of the insurance brands needs to have a carefully drawn roadmap. Marketing strategies needs to be drawn and redrawn from time to time, keeping in mind customer preferences. So, you should search for the products which are asked by the clients, not as he knows. But he must study different plans and marketing strategies to convince the customer preferences. Well planned strategies and plans needs to be chalked out. And public relation building exercise should be given significant importance. You must maintain good public relations. You must build good public relations. And business development tactics needs to be pursued, and also pursue the business development tactics. For example, if the other insurers have been maintaining the tactics, playing the tactics, we, on the behalf of the insurance company, should play the tactics to do the business without cheating the consumer, without cheating the customer or clients. So with this, you have understood the appointment of the insurance agent and the functions of the insurance agents. Thank you.